We're traveling today.
What? Really? Today?
Yes, get up and get ready. Today is the day.
Good morning.
Are you excited?
I didn't sleep much. I kept thinking about the trip. Sweetheart, wake up. It's time.
Are we really going to another country?
Yes, we are. Oh, everyone sit down. Let's eat first.
I'm so excited I can't eat.
Oh, you need energy for traveling.
Which country are we going to again?
Oh, a beautiful one, full of history and new experiences.
Does it have airplanes and tall buildings?
Yes, and much more.
Passports?
I have them.
Tickets?
Ready? Chargers?
In my bag. I'm ready! Let's go! Everything looks different this morning.
That's because today is special. Travel teaches us new things.
I will tell my friends everything.
Wow, the airport is huge. I hear so many languages.
This is the world, all in one place.
Let's check in. May I see your passports, please? Here you go.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
We've arrived. So this is another country?
Yes, welcome.
This is my favorite part! Look at the clouds!
Fasten your seatbelts. We've arrived. So this is another country?
Yes, welcome.
It feels new and exciting.
I don't understand the signs.
That's okay. We're learning. Welcome. Thank you.
This feels like a new chapter.
Hotel? Yes, please.
Look at the buildings!
Every city has its own rhythm.
I love this feeling!
Hello, we have a reservation under the name Smith.
Welcome. May I see your passports, please? Of course, here they are. Thank you. Your room is ready. Here are your keys.
Wow, look at the lobby. It's so big. I love the colors and the lights.
Thank you. Could you please tell us how to get to the elevator?
Certainly. Just go straight and turn right. The elevators are there. Enjoy your stay.
I can't wait to see our room.
Me too!
Wow, look at the city lights.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Good evening. May I take your order? What do you recommend? Our local dish.
I love trying new food.
This is delicious.
Travel really changes you. Perfect. We'll try that.
This smells so good.
Let's sleep. Tomorrow we'll be busy.
I'm tired but happy. Good night.
Good night, everyone.